Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and you need this executive office chair from LEAGOO. This is the most comfortable, supportive office chair I have ever had. It's made of genuine leather, which, by the way, I love the smell of. It's very well cushioned to keep you comfortable throughout the day when you're working. The shape of the back is ergonomic to support your posture, and my favorite feature of this chair is the motorized recliner and footrest. It's perfect for when I'm gaming and I can just lay back and relax. It has two buttons to ease you backwards to recline. It comes together mostly pre-assembled. All you have to do is attach the legs to the seat and the backrest, and I did that in about 30 minutes. The chair is very heavy though, so make sure that you do have a partner with you so that you don't damage the leather and you don't damage your back. So now that you know, try it for yourself, and that is my point of view.